to the impact weather. Severe weather slamming South Florida. In Martin County, a confirmed EF1 tornado. Further south in Broward and Miami-Dade, extreme flooding. Record daily maximum rainfall set at Fort Lauderdale of 9.5 inches. This smashes the old record of almost 5.5 inches that was set back in 1978. Right now, what you're looking at, this is from Sarasota, Florida. That's on our west coast. Also slammed with downpours there. Sarasota is setting an all-time hour rainfall record Tuesday. According to the National Weather Service, between 7 and 8 o'clock that night, nearly 4 inches of rain fell. And throughout the day yesterday, Sarasota saw almost a month's worth of rainfall. The threat for heavy rain possible for later this week once again. My co-anchor